Hi friends! There's nothing better than spending a sunny day with family, and our trip to Berry Island was filled with fun, laughter, and wonderful memories. Our day started early as everyone got ready with excitement. We packed our bags with everything we needed for the beach: clothes, towels, snacks, toys for the kids, and our tent. Once everything was packed, we loaded the bags into the car and set off for Berry Island. After arriving, we found a parking space in the Berry Island car park and unloaded our belongings. The first thing we did was set up our tent on the beach, giving us a comfortable spot to relax throughout the day. The kids couldn't wait to play in the soft golden sand. They built sand castles, dug holes, and had endless fun while running around the beach. Watching their happy faces made the trip even more special. When everyone got hungry, I went to get some delicious food. We all enjoyed our meal together by the beach, taking in the fresh sea breeze and beautiful views. After eating, it was back to more fun in the sand. The children continued playing while we relaxed and enjoyed the peaceful atmosphere. As the evening arrived and the sun began to set, we packed up our tent and belongings, walked back to the car, and started our journey home. Although we were tired after a full day of adventure, we returned with happy hearts and unforgettable family memories. Berry Island gave us a perfect family day out, and we're already looking forward to visiting again soon. Thanks for watching.